Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. Welcome back to my channel. If you are already subscribed, I truly appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Hey all my loves, if you have not joined the family yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here, but I'm not gonna talk long. It's been a minute since I've sat down and actually done a video for you guys, and for that I want to apologize. First off, I don't normally take a break or anything without saying something to you guys first, and literally this break just took itself. Honestly, life came and all at once, and I kind of took a break myself. But I'm gonna do like a get ready me or some type of chit chat or something with you guys, or maybe while I'm retwisting my hair, I'll come back and give you guys an update. But I just wanted to make a video today because today is September the 8th. It is 1 month, my 1 month lock anniversary. Yes, I'm already calling my hair locks because that's what they're going to be. They're going to be locks. Right now they still do look like 2-strand twists, but I wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like. This is 1 month of having my 2-strand twist in. Today all I did was a twist. I did 2-strand twists on my 2 strands, so they really did get to set long. I just did them last night, but I think it still came out very good. I think they look very good, and my hair is completely shrunk, you guys. Y'all know my natural hair is down my back, but it is shrunk in the twist, but I do not mind. I love how it looks. So in this first month, I really haven't done anything with my hair. I haven't wanted to mess with it a lot because my twists are very small, and some of the hair, like especially in the back where I have more 4A hair, and the rest of my hair is more 4B, 4C. The twists do unravel, so I'm finding myself having to twist the twist back a lot. So I've been nervous about washing them, but my hair and my scalp is ready to be washed, you guys. So I am actually gonna film that for you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to show you my hair now. This is how I look. You can't barely even see the parts. The roots are growing out. I'm having to like separate at the roots a lot, so I know I'm really gonna have to concentrate on keeping my parts because I do want my locks to stay this small. I don't want them to lock at the roots. So yeah, I really haven't had a problem much with moisture or anything like that. I have had scalp issues. I've added tea tree oil, excuse me, to my oil bottle. So now I use coconut oil, tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and I think I said them all: coconut, tea tree, black castor, and olive oil. So that's all I have in my bottle, and I just use my same spray bottle for my loose natural hair that has water in it, and I have some oil in it, and it does have some leave-in conditioner. Now I've been doing a lot of research on locks and different people in regards to using conditioner, not supposed to use conditioner or whatever. Right now I'm still putting leave-in conditioner on my hair because my hair does get dry. It does dry out, and I don't want it like so dry that it feels brittle and stuff. So I just spray my hair with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, I haven't done anything with it. I have already been styling it. If you follow me on my social media networks, which you should, if you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, you saw the Bantu knot out. Oh my god, my Bantu knots were so freaking cute. So I'm enjoying them, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I really don't have anything else. I got the tea tree because I am seeing some spots in my scalp that are like flaky. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying not to mess up my hair too much. I am about to go somewhere, but that will prompt me to get the tea tree oil. But I do know once I wash my hair, because it's been a whole month. Like, I haven't co-washed. Well, I don't think you don't co-wash on locks, but I'm just saying I haven't washed my hair in no form of fashion. So I'm looking forward to washing my hair. I have been studying methods on doing that, and I think I'm going to go with the braided and banded method for me personally, because I know, like I said, the back of my hair is loose and a lot of those twists come loose. So I think that should be the best method for me. So yeah, if you have any questions for me, definitely let me know. I will come in, I don't know, maybe monthly or maybe bi-monthly to do updates on my locks. I can't wait till they actually start looking more like locks. But I do have some in the back that kind of like, some of those twists like are not coming in loose. Like, there's like little balls on the end, and they're kind of, the hair is getting tangled on each other. So that's really good, and I'm confident once I actually wash my hair that that will also help that process for my hair to start winding around each other. I am going to do my first retwist myself just because I want to. Just because I want to, and I want to see if I can do it and how it looks. So I am going to be doing that, but that'll be another video. So that's all I wanted to talk about on this one, was my 1 month update for my locks, and I hope you like them. And I hope you guys stick around. And if you have locks, definitely, I want to hear all about them in the comment section. If you're interested in them, or if you're natural and you're like, or you're debating if you want to go locks or not, whatever it is, hit me up in the comments. I love to chit chat with you guys. And that's it for your girl, MissRessaT. Until the next one, smooches. Alright guys, let's get into this. We're going to do this voiceover style here. So, in this bottle here, I have 1 part apple cider vinegar, 3 parts water. This is something I also did on my natural hair. Like I said, I had some buildup, and it's been a whole month, probably longer than that, since my hair has been washed. So, I wanted to make sure I really get in there. And I'm using my shampoo brush that I got from Dollar Tree that I love to just go ahead and massage in the apple cider vinegar in the water. In the back, I put the back of my hair into a one of those little band things, because that is the loosest texture of my hair, and I already know those twists are going to come apart. I've been retwisting them 1,000,001 times. Now, normally I would just wet my hair in the sink, but I'm just trying to show you guys here. So I'm just wetting my hair. And now that my hair is all wet, I am using that Dove shampoo, which I absolutely love. It's great on natural hair and relaxed hair, by the way. And I am putting that all over my hair. I put it right at the roots at first, and just kind of rubbing and getting in there. And then I'm going to go in with the shampoo brush and scrub the scalp. So once I do this, I actually did go to the sink. I rinsed this out. And my hair it was brown. The water was coming out brown. So I did another wash. And that in my hair is an accessory. I did realize that was in there after a while and took it out. So I just did a second wash. And I put the shampoo all over my head on that wash. And scrubbed the scalp again with that same brush. And this is how my starter locks look after I washed. They felt so freaking good, y'all. You just don't understand. And that's the band in the back. Most of those twists did stay together. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm going to start the retwisting process. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.